Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Carv official airdrop. Now Carv has managed to raise the overall funding of around 50 million US dollars and it's officially backed by Binance Labs. So this should be a decent airdrop. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards which up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. In order to farm the Carv official airdrop, you will need a Metamask wallet. Now if you are new to airdrop farming, you can go ahead and set up one Metamask wallet. So simply head to your Chrome browser and click on this link and go ahead and download Metamask wallet and set it up on your Chrome. And I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now once you go ahead and set up a Metamask wallet, you will need to go ahead and transfer some BNB from other centralized exchange or from some other wallets if you are using to your Metamask wallet. Now once you have BNB, you will need to go to OP BNB Bridge and you will need to bridge some BNB to OP BNB. Now this OP BNB would be needed in order to pay for the gas fees for minting the Carv ID and as well as the Carv domain, which I will be showing you. So if you go to protocol.carv.io and go a bit up, they have this option of minting the Carv ID. Now this will cost you somewhere around $1.20 in order to mint this ID, and apart from that this domain will cost you somewhere around a dollar or so. So as you can see, I have already got this cryptoinsight.play domain. Now what you will need to do is, once you have the ID and the domain, simply head to airdrop section of Carv protocol and go a bit down, and over here you will need to bind your socials. So socials will include Discord, Telegram. Then if you have a Steam ID, then you can go ahead and link it. Then they also have this Carv Play, Intella, Ronin, Bitcoin wallet, Solana wallet, and there are a lot of them. And once you do that, you would be receiving some X amount of SOL per day. Now this SOL can be staked in order to earn some additional APR. And if we go a bit down, as you can see, they have this option of stake and they have this different tier of APR. So if you go ahead and stake your SOL tokens for 30 days, you would be getting 60% APR. For 60 days is 96% and for 90 days is 150%. So currently I have staked only 11 because I only have 11 of these. Now apart from this, you can also go ahead and vote for different protocols in order to earn some additional rewards. So each protocol will have their own reward tier which you can go ahead and check. And if we scroll a bit down, there are different protocols with reward pools which you can go ahead and join. So as you can see, there is Overtech which is currently offering more than 830 million SOL tokens and more than 100k plus people are already farming this. Intella has around 63k people with an overall pool of around 191 million. So you can go and join these protocols and complete all the tasks in order to earn some additional SOL tokens. And they also have this SOL challenge which is time limited. So if you go ahead and complete this task, you would be getting some additional SOL rewards. So as you can see, this Join Carv D2E event is giving 200 SOL. Play Steam is giving 300 SOL. And then there are referral bonus. You can go ahead and refer your friends. Now you can use my sign up referral link for Carv protocol as well, as it really supports my channel and you might get some additional SOL rewards. Now apart from this, what you can do is you can head to play.carv.io and over here there are different games that you can go ahead and participate. So if you are farming airdrops on the Ton ecosystem, most of you must know there is this banana game where you need to go ahead and collect banana pills in order to farm the airdrop. And apart from that, there are a lot of games that you can go ahead and complete for getting some additional SOL rewards and also ranking up on play.carv. And one more thing is you can also go ahead and buy the node, which is optional. Now if you want to go ahead and invest some money in Carv protocol, and if you want to go ahead and purchase the node, you can go ahead and purchase. If not, then it's perfectly fine for now. And apart from that, they also have this Carv pass where you can go ahead and complete some time limited and weekly and monthly and seasonal task in order to earn these rewards. So let me go ahead and claim this. So as you can see, I have received some XP over here. Now I will go ahead and claim this. So you can go ahead and complete all of this task and unlock these rewards over here. So there are different tier of rewards and you can keep leveling up daily. So these are some of the steps in order to farm the Carv protocol airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.